जय हिंद दोस्तों, वेलकम टू इंटेलेक्ट एवरीडे टेस्ट योरसेल्फ विथ लर्न न्यू थिंग्स एंड डोंट फॉरगेट ऑनेस्टली कमेंट योर स्कोर एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हु हैज द लार्जर डिफेंस बजट, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान? ए इंडिया, बी पाकिस्तान, सी बोथ इक्वल, डी नन ऑफ द अबव। Correct answer is A, India. What is the rank of India in global military power as per Global Firepower 2024? A 5th, B 4th, C 3rd, D 7th. Correct answer is C 3rd. Which country has a larger active military personnel? Pakistan, India, both equal, and China. Correct answer is B, India. Pakistan's nuclear weapons program is mainly supported by which country? USA, Russia, China, France. Correct answer is C, China. Which Indian missile is considered equivalent to Pakistan's Shahin missile series? Prithvi, Agni, BrahMos, Akash. Correct answer is B, Agni. India's BrahMos missile is developed in collaboration with which country? USA, Israel, France, Russia. Correct answer is D, Russia. Which country has an aircraft carrier in service? Pakistan, India, both, neither. Correct answer is B, India. Pakistan's primary fighter aircraft is Rafale, JF-17 Thunder, Tejas, MiG-29. Answer B, JF-17 Thunder. India's domestically produced light combat aircraft is called Sukhoi, LCA Tejas, HAL Fighter, Mirage. Correct answer is B, LCA Tejas. Which country has a nuclear triad capability? India, Pakistan, both, none. Correct answer is A, India. Which Indian agency controls nuclear weapons? RAW, Defense Ministry, Nuclear Command Authority, DRDO. Correct answer is C, Nuclear Command Authority. Pakistan's intelligence agencies RAW, ISI, CIA, MI6. Correct answer is B, ISI. India's intelligence agencies Masood, ISI, RAW, CIA. Correct answer is C, RAW. Which country conducts exercise Indra with Russia? Pakistan, India, China, Iran. Correct answer is B, India. India's defense equipment manufacturing body is DRDO, ISRO, BHEL, HAL. Correct answer is A, DRDO. Which country has more defense exports? Pakistan, India, both equal, Afghanistan. Answer B, India. Which country is a part of the Quad security dialogue? Pakistan, India, both, none. Correct answer is B, India. Pakistan bought most of its fighter jets from Russia, USA, China, India. Correct answer is C, China. India's main battle tank is called Thunder, Arjun, T-55, M1 Abrams. Correct answer is B, Arjun. Pakistan's primary tank is called Al Khalid, T-90, Arjun, M60. Correct answer is A, Al Khalid. India's space-based military surveillance program is managed by DRDO, ISRO, RAW, NASA. Correct answer is B, ISRO. Which country has more warships? Pakistan, India, both equal, Sri Lanka. Correct answer is B. India. Who conducts the joint military exercise Sahin? India and USA, Pakistan and China, India and Russia, Pakistan and Turkey. Correct answer is B. Pakistan and China. Which missile defense system is deployed in India? Iron Dome, S-400, Patriot, Sahin. Correct answer is B. S-400. Who has higher global defense imports? India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iran. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए इंडिया। तो दोस्तों ये थी आज 25 MCQ फॉर टेस्ट योरसेल्फ। हर रोज मॉर्निंग में ऐसे ही न्यू थिंग लर्न करने के लिए और टेस्ट देने के लिए लाइक कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करिए। मिलते हैं कल मॉर्निंग में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।